What's going on, guys? What's going on? I'm Jay the Black. Salute to everybody tuning in. I want to talk about Floyd Mayweather. He's in some trouble as far as a group of Skrippers who work for the money team CEO, owner, right? Leader, Floyd Mayweather Jr. And they're suing him not only for wages, because apparently he's taking the tips. Because listen, I'm not a strip club expert, but I would think that women got paid based off of the money that they made while they're dancing. But apparently they do things different. Again, I'm not a strip club expert by any means, so maybe they have a different pay scale. Maybe they work by the hour, or by the how many dances they do during the night. I'm not sure. I don't know, as far as when they do private lap dances, are they taking that money too? Must be. And he's being sued. Not only is he being sued by one woman, he's being sued by a group of strippers, according to this New York Times article. Now, this isn't just some random article. And I mean, TMZ also is writing about this as well. But the New York Times one is kind of surprising. Lets me know this is serious, people. This is serious. And he's being sued by Jasmine Woodard and also by another one, I think is Brittany Strauss. These women work for Floyd. See, no good deed goes unpunished, and he's being punished for employing these women and for allegedly smacking one of the women. Now, Floyd Mayweather is a professional boxer. I'm pretty sure if he slaps one of these women, it's going to leave a mark. It could have been a playful slap. I'm not quite sure, but now she's suing him for this. Now, if this happened in the club, I'm pretty sure they have cameras, witnesses to this. There are other women who joined on this lawsuit. Maybe they witnessed this. But again, this is why, Floyd might want to stay away from the strip club business, because it can get crazy. It can. But that's a venture that him and his sister is in, because him and his sister, I believe, are being sued. That's crazy. I didn't even know he had a sister. But again, Floyd, you're opening up a strip club, and now these women who worked for you are suing you because you're not paying them, Floyd. You're a guy who lives an extravagant lifestyle. I would assume that you're paying these strippers, but according to them, you're not. But again, there's a couple different sides to the story, and we're going to get into this. Floyd Mayweather is denying it, but we're going to get into the particulars. Now, this story came out about 3 days ago. This according to the New York Times article. It says a group of exotic dancers are suing retired boxer Floyd Mayweather Jr. for failing to pay proper wages, including one dancer who also accused Mayweather of slapping her when she brought up her pay. Now that's some pimp shit. that's some pimping right there. You talking about money? What? F, are you talking about money? According to a lawsuit filed Monday in Las Vegas, the class and collective action lawsuit was filed in Clark County, Nevada, District Court by two exotic dancers on behalf of all exotic dancers who have worked at Girl Collection, a Las Vegas strip club owned by Mayweather and his sister, Deltricia Howard. In the lawsuit filed Monday, the dancers said Mayweather and Howard misclassified them as independent contractors rather than employees and did not pay minimum wage for hours worked. See, that's the thing. I didn't know you got paid by the hour in strip clubs. Now, maybe y'all in the comment section can let me know, but do strippers get paid by the hour, or is that something that they were doing at the Girl Collective? Because I've never heard that. The strippers get paid by the hour. I haven't heard that. And about the independent contractors, I thought strippers were independent contract. They could dance anywhere, but I guess they must have exclusively been dancing there. The dancers also accused Mayweather and Howard of requiring them to pay fees and portions of their tips to other employees, which the lawsuit alleged was in violation of the Fair Labor Standards Act. Yo, you could tell they probably worked other jobs before they became strippers. I'm pretty sure, they really are really in this lawsuit. It looks like they have really been doing their research. And they're really trying to find ways of getting money out of Floyd. Mayweather determines when dancers are allowed to leave for the night. He often decides how much the dancers' tips will be retained by the club for a given shift. The lawsuit said the plaintiffs also alleged Mayweather and Howard threatened, intimidated, and retaliated against them in response to a previous lawsuit filed last year in federal court. That case was dismissed in August and refiled in state court with accusations of assault added. So apparently the case was dismissed in August because I guess they had a previous lawsuit that was filed last year and they added this. That's not good. And I don't think this is going to help her case. Because it looks like they must have it. They were going to lose. It was like they were losing. And they decided to add this because apparently this happened last year. And now all of a sudden it's being brought up. Yeah, I don't think she's going to win this case. Matthew Thompson, the plaintiff's attorney, said in text message chains, including Mayweather, showed he was coordinating with dancers on schedules and standards for the club's operation. The messages are included in exhibit, a court filing with Mayweather labeled as champ in the group conversation. We believe strongly that the girl collection was exploiting the entertainers and violating state and federal wage laws, that Mayweather played a direct role in all of this, Thompson said. Felt Newell, Mayweather's representation, told The Athletic that Mayweather vehemently denies the allegations and claims that Mayweather never owned the club identified in the case. So he doesn't own the club. On July 3rd of 2016, Mayweather said on social media, "I am just months away from opening up my very own strip club in Las Vegas, Nevada, called Girl Collection," with a link to an Instagram post which has been deleted. Signage for TMT, Mayweather's The Money Team brand, is shown throughout the club and on company vans, according to a photo gallery on the Girl Collection website. So Mayweather tried to pull the whole "I don't own it." Come on, man. You know you own it. Everybody knows you own that strip club. Now, the strip club may not be in your name. He might have put the strip club in his sister's name or somebody else's name. But that is your club. You funded it, which is why you're nickel and diming these Skrippers, allegedly. Allegedly. This is their side, right? And according to his legal team, he don't own the club. In the new lawsuit, one of the dancers accused Mayweather of slapping her in the face in front of other dancers when she approached him about pay on April 23rd of 2023. She said that after the strike, Mayweather followed her into the locker room area and told her she could not take a joke. She said her employment at Girl Collection was terminated for her perceived involvement in the court case and for requesting her wages from previous shifts. Mayweather never assaulted the plaintiff and he never owned the club identified in the case, Newell said. Now, maybe he sold the club. I don't know. This is nothing more than a legal shakedown. Mr. Mayweather looks forward to the opportunity to prove in court these allegations are false. The Athletic generally does not identify people who say they are victims of abuse. The lawsuit seeks back pay and damages, as well as a ruling that the dancers are employees rather than independent contractors. Mayweather was 47, considered one of the greatest boxers in modern history. He retired in 2017 with a 50-0 after defeating Conor McGregor, and has since fought 8 exhibition bouts, most recently against John Goddard III in August. But he has a history of violence against. Okay, I'm not reading through all this. Listen, I will say this. If that is true, Mayweather needs to get out the strip club business. He says he doesn't own the club. Maybe he sold it. But he might just need to get out the Skripper business, because these type of things are only going to continue, man. Because this is like, they've been trying to get at him with this lawsuit, it seems like, for like a year. And the fact that his name and brand is attached to it is not going to be good. Whether y'all think these allegations are false or whatnot, I just think that when you get into that type of realm, that world, you got to be careful, man. You got to be careful, because you may end up a lot more trouble than you need. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. Like this video and share it. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I'll see y'all next one.